Good afternoon, class. I'm David, your toner tutor for today. Now, put your thinking caps on. If you wanted your skin to be really refined in texture, tone, and pores, which toner would you go for? Well, the answer is Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Refining Toner. And the reason is this fantastic toner combines the super lotus as well as glycolic acid to refine the texture of your skin, the tonality of your skin, as well as minimizing the pores. It's a perfect gold star choice. Next question. If you want to fade those pesky dark spots, which toner are you going to reach for? If you guessed the Innisfree green tea enzyme and vitamin C, you are correct. These are incredible. It's those powerhouse ingredients of vitamin C and the green tea enzyme, which are going to minimize the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, as well as bring on that gorgeous glow that we all love. Okay, class, if you want your skin to be firm and tight and bouncy, which toner are you going to use? Well, the answer is Laneige. It's the cream skin toner. This milky cream toner hybrid, because it's a little bit of a moisturizer as well, has the power of ceramides and peptides that visibly firm your skin, restore the elasticity, and hydrate it really well. Okay, one last one for you. If you want your skin to be blemish-free, which one are you gonna go for? It is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is a powerhouse product. The 2% of that beta-hydroxy acid is great for unclogging pores and minimizing blemishes and breakouts, also soothing the skin and keeping it strong. Okay, class, let's see what you've learned. Check your notes. We've got our Fresh Lotus Preserve, which is great toner for refining your skin's texture. We've got that powerhouse from Innisfree, the green tea enzyme and vitamin C, giving your skin that gorgeous glow that we love. Up next, we had the Laneige. Remember that one? To firm our skin. And then finally, if we want to get rid of blemishes, there's one answer, and that's the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. 4 great options. And don't forget, I'm David, your toner tutor. You're all A students in my book.